What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. If you're new to the channel, this is the Life with Nike YouTube channel. We do cars, men's style, men's fitness, and much more. But anyway, in this video, we're going to be doing a couple modifications to the Vette. Y'all know Gabe, the auto photographer. He is going to be helping me do the oil change. We're going to be lowering the car today, and we may do a little bit of exhaust work. So stay tuned, watch the whole video, give me a thumbs up if you like this content, found it informative or somewhat entertaining. But yeah, right now, as you can see, she is filthy. Pollen is off. Camera might not be picking it up, but yeah, she dirty. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get this video started. First, I think we're gonna do the oil change. And if y'all have any recommendation for tires, because it is gonna be soon, it's gonna be time for me to get some new tires on all four corners. So if y'all have any recommendations, drop them down below in the comments. Right now it's the Michelin Pilot Super Sports on all four corners, which they're great during the summer, but as far as during the winter, it's a no-go. But I mean, like when it's wet outside, I wouldn't really recommend using those. So if y'all have any like all-season tire recommendations, let me know. Or if you think the Michelin Pilot Super Sports are the best tires for this car, because that's what they come from, you know, from the factory on. So, but all right, guys, get back to you once we get this thing jacked up.
There we go. Oh shit. That's hot as fuck, bro.
Well, she dirty, man.
Yeah, let's just hope this whole thing can hold it. So 7 quarts and you're supposed to take 7 quarts.
She was dirty, bro.
Yeah, it wasn't horrible. It was dirty, but it wasn't horrible. It was getting there. For sure.
Just pouring that one.
Mm-hmm.
Oil change is done. Now
You sure it's bolt on, right? How sure are you?
What are you talking about?
You want to put money on it?
On what, the bolts?
Yeah.
Coming out?
On it being a bolt-on exhaust.
Yeah, bro, it's a complete bolt-on exhaust, no welds.
It looks welded.
No,
Looks welded.
looks can be deceiving.
Mm-hmm.
I'm willing to put money on it.
How much you want to put?
$50. It's not welded, bro.
It's right under here, isn't it?
Yeah.
Alright, I'll bet $50.
Bro, you don't want me to take your money, bro.
I'll bet $50.
You don't want me to take
I'll
your
bet
money.
you $50.
Alright.
Alright,
Y'all heard him. $50.
I'll pay you back and everything. I need to get I need to do that by hand, do that one with the thing, because I'm used to doing it. Don't want to lose that.
That worked?
Yeah, that worked, but it's just exhaust is on it old, so. Oh, they welded that on there. Okay, I see what they did. I see what they did. now we just gotta hook that machine off. I think it can.
Bro, let's unbolt up here.
That's good though. They weren't seized. The exhaust bolts sometimes get seized. How you doing? Hey. Hey. Ooh, hot. Ooh, hot. That's very hot. That's very hot. Okay.
Hopefully that's a good angle for you guys. Hold on. Bro, the axle back moving back here.
Yeah.
Damn.
It's connected up here.
They gonna be able to do it.
Yeah.
These have their, oh yeah, they do got their own support. Just push forward. Right? Hold on.
I don't know how these things are.
Can you remove those? Maybe that.
Run it for too long. It's super hot.
Oh. Cut the duct tape off, right? It'll be like a temporary, right? Alright, let's pull it off. We'll do the duct tape, see it, we'll see. Come on, let's get this X-Plate.
You sure?
Yeah, because we got to take it off anyway before we get the new one. then we'll just
Right.
then I'm gonna just have to figure out what I'm gonna do to keep it from rattling right here.
Look here with the rattle.
Yeah.
Either the two.
Well, I think it's hard to Oh, push up on it.
I don't know. How's it coming off?
Push up on it, then I'm gonna go your way. So up like that. Yeah. Let me get something to hit the what you got? The crowbar?
That is.
Up one more time. Go to the startup.
Alright, so like these are held on. These might wiggle a little bit.
Oh, bro, I'm fucked.
You're not fucked.
This shit gonna really be under construction for 2 weeks till I get the next X-Pipe.
Yeah. Yeah, it's sitting on your thing. Put it back on.
So if I drive it like that, what's gonna happen?
The top part's gonna rattle. Zip ties.
Let's get a start up right now. So yeah, guys, we ended up removing the X-Pipe, but running into some problems already. The axle bat piece is going to be shaking a little bit. So to avoid back injuries, we ended up zip tying most of it. So this pipe from hitting that and the other one from hitting up against the other side. So let's get a shot. See how the 4 pipes are looking coming out the back. Okay, they still look all right. So yeah, hopefully. But now my only concern is those flanges right there. See the flanges? That's my only concern right now. We started up, so hopefully we can come up with an idea to eliminate any rattling from those until the new X-Pipe comes in there. Get shipped to me, so. What you think, bro? What you think?
Can you come hold it? If you can come
on
hold
that
it,
side?
Yeah, if you can come hold it, it'll be perfect and you won't get any noise from back here.
Okay.
And this will be temporary solution.
Like he said,
Temporary
solution.
Until the new one comes in. Yeah, if you can...
All right, so we wrapped up. This is done. Let me see. There you go, this one. That one right there. Now we working on the flanges I showed y'all earlier. Let's see if I can show y'all. There you go. Get in the shot. Get real creative.
Get it in here. Get the needle sort of deal.
Alright guys, I'm gonna show y'all the finished product in a second.
You gotta get that thing.
Let's see if I can get a little bit closer.
Oh goodness. Yes, I don't know if it's tight or loose.
Let's see. There we go. Clean shit.
I might take the wheel off, but I want to see if it loosens pressure. So jack it up just a little bit.
There we go.
Yeah, already pretty low. Just jack it up just a little bit. Oh, alright, stop. You're raising the car.
We might have to watch the video, bro.
I think it's loosened. We're tight.
It should be going down.
I see why they say it would be easier with the wheel.
Or do you come from the bottom?
I think
What's on the bottom?
this has to go up.
Up.
This has to go up, right? So this has to come down. So it goes like this.
Okay.
Otherwise, you jacking the car up. You wanna have a monster truck, man? I'll give you a monster truck. I'll put some off-road tires on this and take the bitch rallying. What do you think about that, Nike?
Off-road?
Yeah. Off-road the Corvette.
That'll be epic content.
Yes, it would. You said bottoming out? Bottoming out. Alright. Doctor's orders.
Let me see. Hold on. Let me see.
I did it right, that's for sure.
You sure?
Positive. Look how many threads are on top now versus on bottom.
So it's not supposed to be any threads on the bottom. I was
bottom
thinking.
it out. To bottom it out, there's no threads on the bottom, man.
Okay. I don't know why I thought it was supposed to be no threads on the top.
I gotta see how to work with your fender liners and stuff.
I
gotta make sure that
it's bottomed out? Is it bottomed out?
No, I think I gotta see
Bottom
my
that bitch out. That beep. Oh. I'm gonna beep everything.
Gotta beep it out. This is gonna be a lot of beeping. Have you ever seen Daily Driven Exotics?
Yeah.
You know how they cut so much in there that it's just beep, beep, beep. That's so funny to me.
I like that wire.
That's bottomed out.
Let's hit the other side.
Back end was super easy.
Well, it was already kind of.
Back end was super easy.
Yeah.
Front end. I don't need to get the nails off the back end out. So you bottoming that out. And you have the ratchet on loose end.
What size?
10 millimeters. 10 millimeters. Hey, just put the 10 millimeter right there. Yeah, that jack actually helped a lot. Getting that jack under here. Oh!
Yeah. You did. You got me right in the forehead. Yeah.
You sure? Look. Oh, you're not bleeding. You good?
Yeah.
I know it's sore.
I ain't even gonna lie to you.
So, oh, you fine? You good? You just lifted it off the jack stands.
Oh, yeah, I know not to. Yeah, we've been
How long?
Sorry.
Right there. Just a little bit of pressure. Alright, you got a little bit of pressure on it? Alright, you can stop. Go drink some water.
I'm good. Just hit me with some alcohol before we leave. All right.
I have alcohol. That's the fun part.
Some Jack Daniels or something. Then you got some drink alcohol in there, right?
I got some right there.
Just give me a little. Right in front, really nice.
I was talking to Vinny about this. Because I was like, yo, Vinny, what kind of suspension is this? I've never seen this shit. And he's like, it's a high-end car. I bought a car. That's it?
We talking about high as fuck, then we don't go the other way. But you doubt it's gonna.
Wait. Oh, man. We're totally lowered. 100%. 100% you lowered on this. Your shock is going to be in the way. Yeah, your shock's going to be in the way.
The moment of truth. Oh Lord. Let's see what the bottom, of the rear end drop. Slow. Don't tell me we went the wrong way.
No, we definitely did. There's no way we went the wrong way. Your leaf spring went lower, not higher. That's the way you came in, I think. There's no way.
Bro, it's up higher. We went the wrong way.
There's no way. Think about it.
Pull up the video.
Think about it. All right. Think about it, though.
Hold on. Pull up the video.